Guys, happy new year, happy 25, and we, just like the president said, we hit the ground and we hit it hard. So this year we have been exploring different avenues because I know that a lot of people would want to come into mining, and these machines are very expensive. So we have been trying different avenues to see how to get machines way cheaper so that it will, your ROI will become shorter. And at the same time, one of the experiences or the challenges that we have been having over time is, the knowledge of repair and maintenance is very little in Nigeria. And in partnership with NRGBLOOM, Shugamine and NRGBLOOM, we are putting together a boot camp where we'll be training people for 2 weeks in Port Harcourt. So the prerequisite for this training is you must have a pre-knowledge on phone repair, computer repair and electronic repair, because we'll be taking you on intensive training on how to work on Hashboard PSU, maintain the site, maintain the machines. So for anyone that is interested out there, please, the contacts will be made available. And also, Makir, what do you want to say? Do you have anything to say?
Oh, yes, we are currently in Canada in the office where we do repairs. As you can see, we have a lot of hashboards here, and we are with our main ASIC engineer, Patrice.
Hi.
And he will be the one to come to Nigeria and help us with this course. So everything that you see on this desk is what will likely replicate in Nigeria and have all students learn how to work on these hashboards and make sure that they can maintain a Bitcoin mining facility. So looking forward to you guys coming in and learn with us as we're going to make this program available for people that have the skills to get this thing going. So, anything you want to say to us?
It's going to be my first experience, and I'm very happy coming to Nigeria. It will be a pleasure to meet everyone and see how the project is going on.
Alright guys, so you heard it from the engineer himself, and we're looking forward to have people that are passionate about electronics, about things that they want to learn and develop. So looking forward to see who we got coming along, and we shall talk to you soon. Shugamine, back to you.
Yes, so that is it. You have heard from my partner Makir. So for all of you that are interested, you want to work on a Bitcoin mine, and want to know what the inside looks like, you get to understand the theoretical aspect of, because I'm going to teach you the basics of Bitcoin mining, what is Bitcoin mining, what is blockchain, how it works, and then we move from the theoretical aspect to the technical aspect, where you will be working with these machines. You will open them up, look at the different components, understand what they do. This is one of our goals in Shugamine, to transfer knowledge, because very soon, in the nearest future, we in Nigeria, we already have the brains. We have the brains in Africa and Nigeria. To set something like this up, to manufacture something, it's really not difficult. So yeah, this year, watch out for Shugamine.
I go smoke that ganja until I go blind. You gonna say I take ganja all the time. Pass me the ganja, give me brown Rizilla. Pass me the ganja, let me up so high. Take me over the clouds so high. Fly me up so high, till I find myself talking with the most high. Some things say me, I don't demand. Okay, see they go, leave on, just say you don't enter that side. I start to let them know what to do, mama. Some them taking me for I will love, I'm for good love, I get love, baby, over me so, Scotty go some, me I know man, but in the good the way I take away, all the thing I know, I get love, baby love, over me so, Scotty go some. Thank you, Jah, for keeping us.